Hello everyone. The topic I'm going to explain to you today is equilibrium. And in this video lecture, I will explain to you the tips and tricks to solve questions relevant to market equilibrium in O levels. And this topic is also relevant to AS level as well. Okay, so the first question regarding this topic is you can stop the video and read the question, and afterwards you can again restart the video and see what is the correct answer. So the diagram shows the market for rice. It was in equilibrium at X. So initial equilibrium is at point X. You can see this is the X point, and it means that this will be the relevant supply curve initially, and this will be the relevant demand curve initially. Now what happens is later there is a very good harvest of rice, what will be the new equilibrium point? So it means that whenever there is good harvest, production will rise and supply will definitely rise. When supply increases, it shifts to the right. So new supply curve will be S1. It means that new supply curve S1 intersects initial demand curve D at point C. So C will be the new equilibrium. So C is the correct answer for this question. So keep in mind one important thing that whenever there is increase in demand, demand will shift to the right. And if there is increase in supply, supply will also shift to the right. And similarly, if there is increase in demand, decrease in demand or supply, they shift to the left. So whatever the concept is, whether demand, we're talking about demand or supply, if they rise, they shift to the right. And if they fall, they shift to the left. So this was question number one. We can move to some other questions and you can see how to basically figure out the correct answer. Okay, now we can see question number four, and the diagram shows the demand for and supply for product. The original equilibrium is at X. So it means that initially supply curve will be S1 and demand curve will be D1 because D1 and S1 intersect at point X. So X is the initial equilibrium, which point indicates the new equilibrium position if there is an increase in the price of close substitute. Price of close substitute is a demand factor. You must be very much clear about the factors of demand and supply, which factors affect demand and which factors affect supply. If you clearly know that, then you can easily figure out the correct option. So substitutes are the goods which are alternative to each other. For example, Coke and Pepsi, if you purchase Coke, then you need not to purchase Pepsi. So what will happen if there is rise in price of substitute? If substitute product in price of substitute product increases, then demand for this product, which we are considering here, will increase. So it means demand curve will move to the right. So new demand curve is D2. Now new equilibrium will take place where new demand curve D2 intersects initial supply curve S1 at point C. So C is the correct answer for this question. Because all other factors are kept constant here, only the change is in a demand factor, that is price of substitute. Okay, so moving to one more question. This is the question for discussion now. Question number 5, you can stop the video and you can try to answer it. If you could not do that, then you can see the explanation. So question number 5 is, the diagram shows the demand for and supply of a product. The original equilibrium is at X. It means that this is the initial equilibrium. So initial supply curve will be S1 and demand will be D1. The firm pays for a successful advertising campaign. So if firm is spending a lot on advertisement, it means that now demand will rise, because if advertisement is successful, it means new customers will be added into the list. So demand will rise. Advertisement creates awareness among the people, so demand increases, and when demand increases, demand curve shifts to the right. So new demand curve will be D2, and at the same time there will be decrease in supply, because if you are spending a lot of budget on advertisement, it means that budget will be withdrawn from production. If you are not using that budget to produce goods and services. Rather, you are advertising your business with that budget, then it means your production will decline and supply will fall. So new supply curve will be S3 and demand curve is D2. So D2 and S2 basically S3 intersect each other at point B. So B will be the option. This is the correct answer. Okay, now moving to one more question. Okay, this is the question, and this is a bit different question from the previous questions. So question number 22, read this question carefully and try to find out when equilibrium may take place at point Y. Okay, so the diagram shows the market for a product. Equilibrium is initially at X. This is the equilibrium point initially. Which diagram of demand and supply changes would result in a new equilibrium in the area Y? It means that we need new equilibrium somewhere at this point, at point Y. It means that demand should be somewhere at this point and supply should be somewhere at this point. So new demand and supply will intersect each other at this point Y. It means that supply should move to the left. Supply shifts to the left whenever there is decrease in supply. So we have to figure out decrease in supply from this table. Option A shows decrease in supply and option C shows decrease in supply. It means we can remove option B and D. So option B and D. Now we have to find out what will happen to the demand. So demand is shifting to the left, and when demand shifts to the left, it shows decrease in demand. So it means that demand is also decreasing. So demand is decreasing in option A and it is increasing in option C. So we will cross C. So option A is the correct answer. So this is the way you can figure out MCQs relevant to equilibrium and changes in equilibrium in O levels as well as in AS level. So this topic is relevant for both type of exams. So this is it for today's lesson. If you are interested to do more questions relevant to this topic, then I suggest all of you to try to get book Economics Topical Paper 1 by Kamar Baloch. So this book is easily available in the market, or you can go online and you can search it online as well. Many shopkeepers are basically providing these books online as well. So this is it for today's class. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.